welcome back to Sonic the Hedgehog. This is level 1, Act 2. And now we got some more obstacles to avoid, and the game starts getting a little bit more harder and more difficult from here onwards. So there's more piranha fish to avoid. Oh, I got hit by some. And some bees as well to kill. If you hit an enemy and you have rings on you, then you lose all your rings that you're holding. That can be a problem. Right, just go around the loop, and there should be a couple of rings there. This here is the invincibility power-up. This invincibility power-up can save you from accidental deaths, including jumping into spikes, but not glitched out deaths, as in falling into an obstacle. Alright, go down here, a couple of rings, and then one of those special tunnels that give you lots of speed. It's quite a short level, and I missed a 10,000 point bonus. Alright, that's Act 2 done, and now we're going to the Act 2 Emerald Challenge. I've got to remember what it's called. It's either a bonus stage or a challenge. This one's the bonus stage challenge / Emerald Challenge for this one. Whoa, I fell into the flashing goal. If I fall into the flashing goal too early, then it can be big problems. Alright, these dots here usually fill up, and that usually leaves you the way a lot more better. Usually near those dots that fill up is the crystals, which you must destroy before getting to the emerald. Alright, got a couple of rings there. Just going to try and destroy them all. Oh! That sound means I got another continue, so I got 2 continues, plus you get 2 lives per continue that you get when you restart the game on a continue mode. Alright, sort of getting into the emerald here, and that's the end of this level, and the second Chaos Emerald out of, I think, 6 in this game. Thank you for watching, everyone.